Forget the mistake. Remember the lesson. This is an anonymous quote. Welcome to Luo Folklore with this program called The Hard Way, where quotes of inspirations and motivation meets interpretation. Back to the meaning of the quote. The quote is emphasizing that if you meet bad situations or bad circumstances in life, maybe you are an athlete and your team has been defeated. You're a footballer and you were beaten. You're an engineer, your experiments are not going well. Or another scientist, your things are not moving well. Or an artist, your creativity are not going on well. Whatever bad situation in life that you're facing, this quote is telling you that you must forget the pain and take on the lesson. If you encounter bad luck or bad situations or failure or whatever thing that will hurt you or bring pain physically or mentally, try to benefit something from that experience. Try to benefit the lesson that you learned. There was another way that you would have done something for it to be better than the way you did it so that you failed. That is what is called experience. Experience doesn't mean only good experience. It goes hand in hand with the bad experience. But what makes bad experience good is when somebody is able to pick the lesson from that circumstance he or she has encountered. Thank you very much. My name is 𝔽𝕠𝕣𝕘𝕖𝕥. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Follow on Pinterest and Facebook. Visit official website 𝔽𝕠𝕣𝕘𝕖𝕥. And comment, share, and also like. See you in the next video. Thank you. Hi folks, on my right hand side is a subscribe button. Please hit it and subscribe. Then on the left hand side down is the latest videos, and then up is a video recommended for you. Please thank you for watching this channel. Down on the link there is the website www.luofolklore.site.